Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm just doing a little investigation. I'm trying to fix a key for a Range Rover. Here is what's supposed to be like. Here is a broken key. And I was with this car was getting a key that looks to be cut, right? The blade, but there's nothing in here. I also have bought a new key that is not cut, that I haven't tried. But what I was thinking to do today, I have machine to cut it, but I don't have space to put it up for a moment. So I'm thinking to take the inner parts from this one and put it over on the one that is cut and see if I get this to work. I see on this one the stand is not okay. It's okay for the door but not the ignition. That could mean that they haven't put over things. It's supposed to be inside here some screws. Same here. I have to see if I have a screwdriver who is small enough now, so I can take off the screws. Let's just see what's in here. There. A battery CR2016. I need to get over all the electronics that was in here. Need to go over in the other housing, because here I can more or less guarantee is nothing in here. It's not reacting when I'm trying to connect or nothing. Yeah, it's empty housing. The only thing I should need to do is to put this together. That just there, no point tightening, so I'm ruining the plastic. There. Let's see. The light is lighting up. Put on the cover back. Now it's changed. This housing problem, the breaking of the hose, it's the same problem that Toyota has on many of its key. It's just break to pieces. Now I have put that together. I have to check it on the car, but that one I had from before. This is a stand Land Rover on it. This is a Range Rover. This one looks a little different. This one looks more like the new one I made it over to. There. And the spare one I bought at AliExpress Can't I even get open? Yeah, this one looks exactly like that one. It's even Stan Land Rover. Yeah, it looks exactly the same as that one. This one I'm going to cut it in a cutting machine to be like that. And this one I'm going to test if it's working as it should. Then I have the blade from the one broken one. That's also working, but everything is broken on the rest. So I'm just going to take care of that one and put the other one here. Here I have the part for locking it, lying in it. So I can fix that one later. Put it together with it. And later in the weekend I'm going to go and try to change battery in this car. Then I can take with me this key that was working. I can take with me this key that's standing only for door and ignition. Not the ignition. So I see. Depends how the cutting have been here. Maybe it's wrong with the cutting, or maybe it was just because they haven't moved over the electronics stop ignition system yet, that you have to have the electronics to be able to open it. An empty key like this, you can cut it to open the door, but you need the electronics in it. Maybe I can buy a key with the electronics and program it and everything on the last scanner I bought and make it working. So we're just trying. Let's see. But at least very simple to change the housing and move over. Please start following the channel if you haven't done that. It's coming more on that Range Rover L322. And also, yeah, coming more about other stuff on that one, on a lot of other cars. So just go in and see the videos. It's a lot, more than 800, soon to be 900 videos. Thank you. Please follow the channel. Please put a comment and please come back. Thank you.